Hi, this is Zaf, and this is going to be a quick video on how to send a broadcast email in Systeme.io. At the end, I'll also be sharing a free resource which I think you'll find really helpful, so keep an eye out for that later on. In the meantime, let's get started. Here we are in my free Systeme account. So first what we need to do is go to emails, click on that emails, and then you'll see the option for newsletter. Click on newsletters there, and then what we need to do is, if you haven't got a note in there already and sent it on this first time, you'll be blank like this. You need to then click on create for your newsletter, give it a subject name, let's put it, "Did you see this?" ? Now you can use the visual editor here. Give these options, or the classic. I tend to just stick with the classic here. Click the classic, click save, and then just edit it. Click on the three dots to edit it. Okay, depending on how you set up your email campaign, mine, I've set it up with a tag, so when someone subscribes to the list, they receive a tag. Then you can, once you finish the campaign, you can then create another tag to say they're finished. Okay, so if we scroll down, you'll see you can, the default is set to 0 here, so that means it'll go straight out. Now, if you've got someone already, it's in the email campaign, this will also go out to them unless you select a specific tag, which is Systeme's own way of segmenting your list. So you should click this, see the opt-in complete for the LM, that's the lead magnet. So if I select that one, okay, well, I've done that right. It's a bit awkward sometimes to select that one. Try again. Maybe select it. Oh yeah, there we go. Sorry. So you can see that it's selected. So that means this email will go straight out straight away, and it will only go out to people with this tag. So this tag is added on after people have completed the email campaign for the opt-in for the lead magnet, which will be given a tag of complete, so it doesn't go to anyone else who's still in the email campaign. Or you can set it to a specific day, so if your email campaign's every 5 or 7 days, you can just change it to 6 or 8 depending, and that'll go straight out after the day after they complete that one. If you've got any other tags you want to exclude them from, you can also select that as well here, and then there's just further options down here. You don't really need to bother with these. You can see you can add an attachment as well, a file and that, if you want to do that. Okay, so once you've done that, then it's this case, say import hi. You can add a variable there, so if you collected their first name, you should I'll find it, where is it? I've changed a couple of things on here since I've last used it. Oh, there we go, it is under that, so first name there, and I'll put that variable there. So if you collected the name there, that'll put David or whatever the name is there. Put anything here. If you're used to using like Office, Word, or like that, then you should be able to easily use this basic visual editor here. So you can just create whatever here in the email. You can just make it into a link. So highlight it, and to make it a link, just click on the link option there. Your website. Okay, that makes it into a link. And then just sign off. And that's how you just basically that's how you create your newsletter or broadcast email, which goes out straight away if you want it to go straight. And then you can click save and test or save and schedule. So if you go to save and then exit out, and then I can see the email there. And for me, you can also test it for me as well, clicking the three dots. I think you can do it from there anyway. Oh, actually, click on it and we can just go back into there. It's always best to test your emails when you're sending them, before you send them out to your actual list. So I think that's pretty much covered it. So it's as simple as that to create a broadcast email. Now, if you're on the free plan with tags, you only can actually create one tag and one campaign, but you can use the newsletter option to send this out as many emails as you want. There's no limit on that. So hope you found this video helpful. Now, I mentioned at the start there's a free resource for you. So if you look in the description below, you'll see a link to a free 7-day crash course that tells you how to make money with email marketing for beginners. Please like, subscribe and drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.